Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the SquareGo app. So let's get started. So here I will just open the SquareGo app. So to use it, you have to follow this easy step. So first of all, open it, then create your account. Okay. So here just to continue. So here you have to create a password. Then here you have to agree term and condition. Just do confirm. And after the account has been created, then you can use a SquareGo. So it's a very easy app to use, as you can see here. So here you have to enable the things that it is asking for. So after that, here not now. So here your it is not supported basically because my account is not verified, but you can verify and use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.